Follow this routine to learn 6 chair yoga poses for your hips, knees and ankles. Welcome to Age Fit with Tess. My name is Tess, physiotherapist. By the end of this video, you'll have learnt a routine of 6 different exercises for your hips, knees and ankles. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining. I'm here to show you how to stay fit and active as you age so that you can live the life you deserve. If you have a health condition, persistent pain or chronic injury that you are overcoming, comment overcoming in the comments below. Let's get started. Throughout this chair yoga series, make sure you are sitting upright as well as engaging your core. We are going to start with our heel raises. Keeping the toes on the ground, lift your heels up and then lower them back down. For our second pose, straighten your knee, activating your quadricep muscles on the top of the knee. While the leg is straight, point your toes away and then back toward yourself. Repeat for a second round. Straighten the knee, point your toes away and then back toward yourself. Switching legs, straighten the knee, point your toes away and then toward yourself. For our third pose, straighten the right knee and use your toes to complete ankle circles. Switch sides to straighten the left knee and again use your toes to complete ankle circles. Repeat for a second round. During this exercise, we are working both our knees and our ankles with the aim of improving range of motion and easing pain. For similar knee and ankle exercises, make sure to check out the video Seated Warm-Up for Osteoarthritis linked above. For our fourth pose, hold onto your leg just below the knee and bring your knee to your chest. This is a great pose to improve hip flexion and range of motion, and you may feel a slight stretch through your glutes. Repeat this exercise for a second round. Bring your right knee to your chest and lower back down. Bring your left knee to your chest and lower back down again. Our fifth pose is our Warrior Two pose. Start by raising your arms and stepping your right leg to the side. Look over your right arm past your fingertips. Keeping your arms raised, come back to the middle and step your left leg to the side. Look over your left arm past your fingertips. Come back to the middle and lower your arms. Repeat the Warrior Two pose. Raise your arms, step to the right and look past your fingers. Come back to the middle, step to the left and look past your fingers again. As we come into our sixth pose, our deep breathing pose, remember to comment overcoming if you have a health condition, persistent pain or injury you are overcoming. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for the next video where I'm going to show you a seated arm workout with resistance band. To continue to stay fit and active in the meantime, watch these 2 videos right here. See you next time.